Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to simplify surds, a very important concept for the class 9, 10th and even in 11th and 12th also, and students have difficulties to simplification of surds. So I am going to explain you the full concept of surds in a very short video, right? So first of all I am going to explain you the basic concept of exponents, which is going to be used in this simplification of surds. So everyone knows the product case. When the base is same, then powers are added. A to the power m into a to the power n, this will become a to the power m plus n. Let I take example here. If 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2, then everyone knows that it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, then it will be what? 2 by 2 and it will become 1, right? And everyone knows the symbol of this. This is the symbol of square root. A square root, yeah, under root, right bacho? Then here this is written as this. If I write under root 2, so everyone knows that it will be written in this way, 2 to the power 1 by 2, and this one is what? 2 to the power 1 by 2, and what will it becomes? 1. So here we are seeing that under root 2 into under root 2 is equals to 2. So today concept is this, which is I am going to explain you. Then first of all go through the basic properties of exponents, which we are going to use in this concept, right? The second property is what? A into b to the whole power m. This will be written as a to the power m and b to the power m. Example, if 2 to the power 1 by 2 or 3 to the power 1 by 2, here we are seeing that the power is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So this can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 2 using this property, right? And everyone knows it is what? Under root 2 and it is what? Under root 3. So here you come to know two irrational number. These are the irrational number. The irrational number are those number which cannot be take out from under root. So under root, so it will be what? 2 into under root 3 is equals to what? Under root 6. It is nothing else. It is the properties of exponents. So right here you come to know that under root 3 into under root 7 will be what? It will be what? 3 into 7 is what? 21. So it will become root 21. Right students? Go through the next property. Property number 3. A by b to the whole power m. It will also become a to the power m and b to the power m. And the next one is what? A to the power m to the whole power n. It will become a to the power m into n. So these property we are going to use in simplification of surds. So now I am going to give some example to explain the simplification of surds. So first of all I am going to tell you the symbol. This one is a symbol of square root. This will be written as like this. If I take this symbol, this is the symbol of cube root. If I take this symbol, this is the symbol of fourth root. So in such a way, if I write here n, then this will be written as 1 by nth root. Here you can say nth root. So this is the cube root, this is the fourth root, something like this. If 5 is here, it will become fifth root. If n is here, it will become nth root. So today we are going to add, subtract or multiply surds by using this video. Right students? So see, first of all we are going to multiply two surds. So as I have told you, root a into root b is equals to what? Root ab. As I have told you the property of surds and exponents, a to the power, this will become a to the power 1 by 2 and this will become b to the power 1 by 2, and we know the property, it can be written as a into b to the power 1 by 2 and this will become ab under root 2. So you may come to know how we can multiply two irrational number. If root a into root b, then this can be written as root ab. If root a into root b into root c, then this can be written as root a b c. Everyone will understanding the concept. In next term, suppose 48 is written here, then how we can simplify this surds? So we will try to find out a factor in 48 which can be taken out from under root. So this will be written as 16 into 3, then it will be what? 4 under root 3, because we know that 16 is a perfect square and it will be what? 4, because we can say 4 is not a surd. What is a surd? Surd is under root 3. The number which cannot be taken out from the root, square root, cube root and fourth root is known as surds. So this is the surds. Right, bachcho? In next, suppose it is 48 and it is what? 27. So what is our main motto? We are going to simplify 48 in such a way that we can take out some square root from this. This 48 can be written as 16 into 3 and 27 can be written as 9 into 3 and 16 can be 16 into under root 3 and 9 can be written as 9 into under root 3. Root 16 is what? It is 4. How? 16 to the power 1 by 2 and 16 is what? 4 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. This is cancelled, 4. What is left now? Root 3. Root 9 is what? 3 under root 3. Here we are seeing that these are the two rational number and these are the like terms. So let for a while root 3 is equals to x, then it will become 4x plus 3x and they can be added. So this will become 7x. It means 7 under root 3. So in such a way we can find out the product, addition and subtractions of surds. Thank you so much.